"We will make the desert bloom." Those were the famous words of David Ben-Gurion, and for 70 years, the Ramat HaNegev Research Center has been trying to do exactly that by developing technologies to make agriculture possible in desert climate. Representatives from kibbutzim have come from northern Israel to discover the methods developed in the Negev to make cherries, strawberries, pineapples, and other exotic fruits.
The farmers found that a new virus, a TBRFV virus, attacked the tomato field. We found rootstocks that are more resistant to Fusarium solani and enabled the farmers to grow tomatoes, and from about 50% loss of yield, it went to less than 5%.
The Ramat HaNegev Research Center also helps farmers produce new varieties of plants.
This is Salicornia. This crop was developed here in this center, a plant that was collected from the wild in Europe. In Israel, we took it from the desert and we developed it into a crop.
An important investment fund, Arieli Capital, has decided to collaborate with the Ramat HaNegev Research Center to create Frontier, an innovation center in a desert environment for international planning.
We have over 150 companies that came to us in a variety of, with a variety of technologies. At the end of the day, we're looking at technologies for arid lands and for desert farming, so they're all about sustainability and, like I said, doing more with less.
Approximately 10 startups will be selected each year, and they'll benefit from substantial financial support and, above all, the opportunity to test their innovations on the ground with the help of experienced researchers.
Among the candidates selected there is an Israeli startup that works with nanosatellites. The possibility of managing a nanosatellite fleet has a very interesting application in agriculture. It can allow a researcher to direct the satellite to problems and solve these problems for a farmer who is in a developing country and does not have communication infrastructure.
According to the United Nations, desertification affects 1/3 of the Earth and is responsible for a drop in agricultural production that could rise as much as 20%. Many governments and organizations have already agreed to cooperate with the Frontier Center in Israel for desert agriculture, including Israel's new ally, the United Arab Emirates.